Have you ever been completely stuck in a crisis? I mean really stuck. Your life feels like a total mess. Everything is metaphorically or literally on fire, and you just cannot see the way out. And then you call that one friend. And somehow, 10 minutes later, you're not just calmer. You actually have a plan, a logical step-by-step plan. You suddenly feel like you can breathe again. Chances are, that friend was a Virgo. We hear all the time about Virgos, meticulous, perfectionist, obsessed with cleaning. And sure, individuals born under this sign are celebrated for their diligence and strong work ethic. Their attention to detail is legendary. But that's like saying a superhero's power is just wearing a cape. It's not the talent, it's just the symptom of the talent. Today we're talking about the real Virgo secret, the thing they do better than anyone else, often so quietly that nobody even notices how they did it. So, what is this grand secret talent? It's their innate ability to solve problems with breathtaking efficiency and clarity. A Virgo is, at their core, the Zodiac's ultimate problem solver. But how? This is where it gets interesting. When most of us face a huge challenge, we just see chaos. It's a big, overwhelming, emotional mess. A Virgo's brain doesn't see that. Their analytical mind automatically kicks in and they start scanning. It's like they have this built-in diagnostic software. A Virgo's mind is like an incredibly powerful filter. They take in all the chaos, all the noise, all the panic, and their brain immediately starts sorting. Okay, that's emotional noise, ignore it. That's a what if, not important right now. This is the actual root of the problem. They don't just see the problem, they diagnose it. Their meticulous nature isn't about being perfect. It's about their unmatched attention to detail that allows them to notice the one tiny subtlety that everyone else overlooked. They are the person in the meeting who says, "Wait, did anyone else notice that page 5 and page 20 contradict each other?" That's why the numbers aren't working. While everyone else is arguing about the fire, the Virgo is calmly looking for the source of the gas leak. This is why Virgos give the absolute best advice. Have you noticed this? You go to them with a dramatic story. "I'm so broke. I hate my job. My life is over. I don't know what to do." Your other friends might say, "Oh, that's terrible," or "Just quit." A Virgo will listen patiently, nod, and then say, "Okay, let's break this down. You're not broke. Your cash flow is the problem. Let's pull up your bank statement. Right here. You're spending $200 a month on subscriptions you forgot about. Let's cancel those. Next, your job. What specifically do you hate? The boss? The commute? The tasks? Let's update just the first page of your resume tonight. I'll help you." See the difference? Their advice is grounded in logic and experience. It is not just reliable. It is actionable. They don't just make you feel better. They empower you with a plan. They take a giant, impossible mountain and break it down into small, manageable steps. And here's the most beautiful part of this talent. It's almost never for themselves. This hidden strength allows Virgos to offer meaningful support to friends, family, and colleagues. They are the quiet fixers who uplift their entire communities. They are the co-worker who actually fixes the broken spreadsheet that everyone else just complains about. They're the family member who steps in during a crisis, not by adding to the drama, but by making the phone calls, organizing the food, and creating a schedule. Those around them just feel reassured. They feel empowered because they know they can count on Virgo's steady, practical guidance. This is their secret. Virgos quietly restore order. They take a broken, chaotic, inefficient system, whether it's a project, a friendship, or a disorganized kitchen, and they heal it. They make it work again. They make a positive difference, not with loud declarations, but with thoughtful, practical action. So the next time you think of a Virgo as just a perfectionist, remember what's really happening. That perfectionism is just the byproduct of their real talent, the ability to see through the chaos, find the real problem, and build a practical bridge to the solution. They don't just see the details, they know how to use them. So now I want to hear from you. Are you a Virgo? Is your brain a 24/7 problem-solving machine? Or do you have a Virgo in your life who is your personal crisis manager? Let me know your stories in the comments below. And if you liked this and you want to go deeper into real astrology beyond the stereotypes, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications.